Alright, so what is up guys and girls, Banana Gaming here, back with you guys today. We are playing some FIFA 15 once again. We're just opening some mixed contract packs because we're getting really low on contracts and we need to get some more. So I'm just saving everything. It's all contracts, I'm doing it in the mixed contracts pack. It's really cheap. It's only 600 in the future pack, so get your hands on some. There's only 9 hours left at the time of recording. But we're going to be playing against the team of the week, and I'm going to be doing this every single week. This is team of the week 35. What do they have on their sub bench? Okay. We need to fill these guys up with contracts though. One for you, gold for you, gold for you. Oh, that's it. That's pretty cool. So yeah, team of the week 35. Let's do this. And you may have noticed a bit of a change. So yeah, I've zoomed it in now.
It's my pleasure to welcome you. I've got Andy Townsend sitting alongside me. Hi everybody, I'm Clive. Can't wait for this match to start.
Right, I'm going to turn my commentary down and stuff. So.
Look at the space he's got here.
That was close. I thought I'd go for an early strike just to get used to it. Even though I've already played this morning, but okay.
It's Karani.
Oh, and he's coming back.
Look at this, they've not picked him up. He's in on goal.
It's a goal. I shouldn't be laughing because I can't do a cartwheel, whatever. Thanks for the support in the last video. We got 6 likes, which is really much appreciated. Or 5 likes. 5 to 6 likes, which is insane. Sorry I haven't been uploading. My videos just glitched recently. And they won't upload, so let's hope for the best on this video. That's a corner? Oh, that was out, surely. Oh.
It was an uncompromising challenge, may well be worth a booking.
And he's
That's a
injured.
shame. He's in too much discomfort to soldier on with that injury.
A player.
They have had to replace him. No choice
Oh, I
but
got
to
a
make a
yellow
substitution. Finish.
Ooh, that was close. That was a long kick.
To the head.
Keeper's really good. Well, not really good, but he's a good kicker and stuff like
Wasn't going to let
that.
the attack develop.
My next video will probably be on FIFA once
We'll
again.
have to try to find a better pass
It might
than
be
that
a
one.
goalkeeper challenge where we can only shoot with our goalkeeper, which is really awkward, but
Referee has penalised him. He got a foot on the ball first. It's a fair challenge.
Oh, come on.
Not much time. The referee thought about playing an advantage, but he's given the foul now.
What?
Oh, look where he's lost it.
Okay, it's half time, guys.
Score is 1-0. I wonder if this manager's going to be brave, Clive, and
yeah,
change
now
it
it's the
first,
second
because I
half.
can't pick a winner out of these two. Smart referee there. He waited to see if there was an advantage. And the injured player will take no further part in this game here.
Another injured player. This is the second person I've injured today. What card did I get
Well
though?
cut out.
I didn't get a card. That's cool. Oh, nice. Got the win.
Some defenders have an instinct for danger. He's won. And the keeper is first to the ball.
I really don't want to accidentally click the slide tackle button, or I'll get a red card.
Without it.
Ooh.
intercepted,
pass
saw that coming.
failed. Get on him.
Referee's given something here. It is a free kick. That's the last change the manager can make in this match.
They can't make any more subs. I didn't get a card yet again. Oh, this is a nice referee.
Oh, he always seems to come to the rescue. One or two possibilities now. Stopped in his tracks.
No.
Chance to shoot.
This sort of opportunity does not come along too often. Don't waste it.
Was that in? Oh, hit the crossbar. What a close shot for him. Come on, defenders, get on him.
Got to shoot. Just a little too high.
Did everything right.
Yeah,
right
that
up to the
was
moment when he's just got to put it in the back of
pathetic
the net.
too. Don't know who that was, but shot.
Intelligent header. They perhaps just waiting to see the added time that we're going to get. That's a very good piece of defending. Easy enough for the goalkeeper.
End of the match? No? Still going. There we go.
There's the whistle
So yeah,
for the end of the game.
we won
And they have
that
the
match.
package going into the next leg. It's not
I
over,
hope you
but they
enjoyed
do
this
have a
video,
lead.
guys.
That's another good
Next
victory
week,
climb. They're getting better and better.
probably
This team scored
next
early but
Monday, I'll
kept it
bring you
going.
another
It's a good win.
episode, guys. So stay awesome, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.